I've put yesterday's video up. So yesterday's video, you can see here, I have a new playlist. I started a new playlist for our class 5C. We just started on our first video. I've got about 50 videos for my 4E class, 25 videos for the Active and Healthy Me Challenge. And I have a special playlist called Junior Math Tutors. That's my students from my P4 class. They teach their friends how to do word problems and they share their videos here. So I upload their videos for them sharing. So if you look at our own one, the one that we had yesterday, the first video here, now it was yesterday. We have 30 seconds to think about this. Okay. So you can see the catch up on. I also put some. Oh, I've got 2 views here. I wonder who is it? Here? Oh, thank you for viewing. I see. Okay, so I broke down some of the parts of the lesson so that if you want to skip the whole long lesson to just a part, say if you went home to do your homework and you want to revise on how it works. For example, I will say, okay, I want to hear how my friends explained yesterday. There's Travis' explanation, Aria's explanation, and Sana's explanation for these questions. And I just click, and then it skips to the part. All right, let's invite Travis to. And then you see Travis answer. $7. Yep, so you can hear him explaining. So right at the bottom here, it's like a quick recap. At the end of when it's a topical test or when it's nearing the exam, you probably will not have time to look through your whole workbook again or look through your whole textbook again. What you can do is just go straight to this and then pick on something that you want to revise. For example, or you need to do correction. Okay, you don't know how to do a correction. You can just click one of these and then refer to them. Okay, so do catch up, do go back and take a look at the video. Okay, since we are recording today as well, so at the end of today, today's will be up as well. Okay, we start today's lesson with our brain gym. Yesterday's brain gym was this. The reason why I did this days of the week backwards was to get you to understand there's a cycle of things going on and pay attention to a trend. Okay, then talking about trend, let's try today's brain gym. Here. Okay, you have 40 seconds to practice. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so please stand up and try. Read out the colors out loud. Read the colors, not the color of the colors. Read the colors, not the words. Not the color of the words. Okay. Okay, ready? Correct. Ready? And go. Cannot hear, they can't hear. Okay, that was reading the words out. Now, read the color out. You challenge? Okay, let's change someone. Okay, come, you challenge. Read the color out. Was it very tricky? Right? Quite fun also, right? Now, okay, so it kind of plays with your brain a bit. Okay, there you go, your language part of your brain is working, and then your eyes are working, telling you a different thing. Okay, well, I think it's a good opportunity to, at this point, to tell you that your brain has a few things going on. It may be distracting you at times. Okay, it may be, according to your friends, I'm not so sure. They say maybe you were at the soccer field playing. That's why when the bell rings, you're still not here yet. So maybe the soccer ball is the one that's distracting you. But I strongly urge you that you are the master of your brain. Understand what's going on and try to control and manage yourselves. Okay? Can I understand? Now, you have a question? You will do it later. Right. Now, we are going to check today's assignment. The first skill we did was find rate. Your homework was 4 pages. Any difficulty? No difficulty? So it was up to page 44. If that's all right for you, tear out 41 to 44. Staple it. The first person in the row collects it. That was homework. You should have completed up to page 44. Staple it, and it's ready for submission. If you did not complete your homework, please stand up. (41, 42, 43, 44). Oh, yes, okay. So neat work. Very nice. Neat work. Okay, so let's go back to what we are doing. We were talking about the concepts of comparing two quantities, and then we use the idea of proportion. Okay. Go back. Okay, so what were we talking about when we say use proportion to answer? So if I can show some complete way of doing the work. A bit my microphone can fly to sample quickly. I bought a new microphone so that you don't have this noisy sound. Yeah, like raining. Very noisy sound. Oh yes, here. Pase, who's Pase? Hi. Okay. This part. Okay. And then another person. I saw him when I was collecting here. Nandini. Oh no. Must look from the back. Very hungry, don't do that. Yeah, making me hungry. Okay, I can't really find it now because offhand is a bit hard to find. But when we talk about proportional, you can see when I'm doing this working, that's the idea of proportion. Now we'll be talking about this proportion a little bit more in a while. So right now, we move on. So if we are done fine break, we're going on to the next skill that many of us are already ready. So let's go back to look at this graph yesterday. On this graph, we were able to see a few information. Yesterday we said, I put it there. Yesterday we were able to pinpoint at a certain time. Now yesterday's question, remember? It was at the second minute. What's the volume, right? The volume was 16 liters. Right? Now, if I ask another question, I say, so what is the rate of the water going into the tank? What is the rate of the water going into the tank per minute? So every minute how much? 8, right? So 1 minute that's 8, right? If I use 16 divided by 2 is also 8, right? So in the second minute, 1 minute plus 8. So it's like 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 8, 24. Can you see the method? Now if I want to ask you, right now up to here, you see 3 minutes. 3 minutes is 24 meters, right? If I want to say, what about 10 minutes later? Yeah, what about 10 minutes later? What about 50 minutes later? Are you really able to count that? Why? Why are you able to count that? Because you already have the rate. So it tells you per minute is how much. So you have a price. Okay. So today's learning there were 2 parts. Remember yesterday I told you the PRP thing. I'm going to talk about it in a while. The first slide, look at this. Does it look familiar? Number 1, right? Yeah, 10 seconds. 20 lah, 20. 20 seconds. Remember this loop. 20 seconds, huh? Later I will randomly throw the marker, right? You know, if the marker gives you, you have to come up with an answer. Yeah. Okay. Get it up, okay? Ready? Okay. Ready? Hands up. You don't put your head up, later the monkey will play again. Okay, ready? Yes, you want to you see, there was one addition and subtraction to number 1. What was it? Right now. Yes, right now. Okay, if you don't draw it as a thought. Okay. Okay, I'll pass the Travis. It's action. That's one, for this one. Multiplication division number one. Just now, it's number one. I only done the answer.
You know the answer.
And already the answer is given. Okay. You tell me, when did you learn this? Primary one, primary two, right? Primary one, you learn the addition, subtraction number one. Primary two, you learn the multiplication division number one. Very good. Okay, very right. Now, if I tell you the next few pages of your homework can be done this way. Primary two method. Stop. Really wait. Yeah. Very good.
This thing I know.
Now, just now we talk about the different identities. We have been given breaks. Right? If say the way, you can continue studying because I'm not talking anymore. Would you like to sit down? You can answer the next question. If I say a new term called unit rate, what do you think it is?
1 unit, 1 unit, 1.
Are you data?
Oh.
Or unit? Okay. So, for example, if I say 1 liter per minute, so unit rate means and you can see 1 unit of a minute and gets you 5 liters. Right? Okay, you can sit down. Now, given the idea of the number one, okay? Number one, now most of you draw the super circle and the circle circle, right? You can have different relationships. This can be plus and this can be minus, right? Correct? Correct? This can also be 5 and this is divide. Agree? Okay. So it's a two-factor relationship. Yeah. Okay. So the next 2 pages give us the clues. I got the unit rate given and I got another identity. So I got 2 quantities given. Okay. The rate tells the comparison of 2 quantities. Comparison of 2 quantities, right? That means if I have 2 quantities here, given any 2 of them, I'll be able to find the missing one. Okay. Now, why is the model 45? Those of you who have already tried, I want you to show me a different method. Okay? Those of you who haven't tried, why not? Those of you who have already tried, check 45. I want to see a different method. There are 2 possible methods. First 45. 45? Yes. Yes. Okay, everybody not very sure. Me together. Those who can do it, you do myself, those who not sure, we do together, okay? But this question is really guided. Those of you who tried already, can you show me your hands? So I know I'm going to check with you for a different method. Maybe if you're not so sure what is the different method, you can see each other's work first. Is it the same style? Then you get a different idea. Go. You can go and take a look at each other's one. Okay. So those of you who are not very sure, we are doing it as well, so we can do it together. Okay, this is find total amount. A pipe drains for 840 liters of water from a tank in 30 minutes. Okay, so I have the relationship of volume and minutes. The relationship here is that when I have the number of minutes go up, the liters goes up as well. Is that agreeable? Yes, very good. Now next, this question gives us a guide. A, find in 1 minute. In 1 minute, we understand that this is says per. And what would this mean? This tells you, this question is asking you to find. What is this question asking you? How many liters of water in 1 minute? It's asking you for. Okay, so the first one gives you a clue. Find the unit rate. So I've got 30 minutes, 840 liters. Can I find per minute? The next question, B. B says, now you got to find 4 minutes. Right? So, is it possible? Why will it be possible? Because the first step gives you the per 1 minute. The first step guides you to find the unit rate. I got 1 unit, now I find 4 units. Is this okay? Is there another method? Let's ask those who have done already. Is there another method? Is there another method? Yeah, another method. Okay. Our friend says they can't think of another method. Then I say they kind of don't quite understand what does the word method means. They understood the word method as in the choice of plus, minus, times, divide in steps. My explanation of method means, can I show how I get my answer in a different way? Now, anyway, if my English is not so good, what do you suggest I do? Yes? Okay, underline already there? It's still English to me. I'm better at art. Role model, very good. So if I have trouble understanding, what can I do? I can actually just draw. I have a tank. And then the water here. The clock says 30 minutes. $840 liters. Now, I'm going to skip. Are we okay with these 2 pages? Anybody having difficulty? You're not done yet. Okay, never mind. I'm going to skip to, say, question 46. Page 46, question 4. Now, just now we say that question does not have many alternative methods. When Sing and Tiwei, the answer don't really know what's another method. That is also acceptable because the question is pretty simple, only 1-2 steps. This one here will have other methods. Can we try this one now? Can we skip the question and go to 46 first? And let's see if anybody done 46 already? Show me the answers, huh? Come on. Okay, thank you. Let's see if there are different ways of answering. Okay. This please write a name on the books. Please stop it. Thank you. The sound is quite disturbing. Now, this is Diane's one. Question 46. This is Fencing's question 46. And then this is Pingwei's question 46. Okay, now, you can see a bit small. Do you think they are using this method? Do you think they are using the same method? Now see. Can you remember I explained how you did yours on the whiteboard? There, for the same distance, anyway. Then it's time to look at it. Okay? Then it's time to look at it. I just explained to everyone and just explained to the same. If you never follow it and do, the next time you will not be able to do this very. So if you can't explain it in a very already forgot it, and that's not. Are you writing down that? Explain it, please. Not just looking from explanation. Okay, let's hear you explain. Okay. Anybody know? No? Okay. This is actually all three are very easy method. What is method one? Thank you. So we just explain unitary method. Can you understand? Yes. You just count the unit rate 1A and then multiply. Okay. Anybody got a different method? No. Good. I have a different method. What? Oh. Yes, okay. Okay, everyone Everybody, this is question for the third question. Okay? I'm going to use this chance to get our friends to explain. Because if you doesn't right, do it and say it's fine. But you need to do first thing. Explain how yours work. Because if you can't explain how yours work, are you sure next time the same person come up you can do? So you need to know how you work. The second one, if I were to ask you, if you know everything from that, you're going to be able to do it too. Then we have the permission to do it. Okay? Now, answer me. How I got my method. Here we are, you think some of our friends are not get it. You want to answer? Oh, down. This, I got this. Oh, the guy even example. Can you? That's why I say, I'm not doing so. See, I'm cool. I don't know like you, but how it is possible. Yes, okay, let's see. Okay, what's another one? So what Sophia says, let's write it down first. Sophia says, instead of writing 58, instead of writing 58, I already got 10x. So 10x is 700 grams. So I find from 1 egg times 178 times 5 times, that's 380. Then I add them together to get my 15x. Can you see that? What another way? Yes. Very good. The other one is I got 10 eggs. I don't need to find 1 egg. Oh, sorry. Oh, excited. I got 10 eggs. I don't have to go back all the way to find 1 egg. Because I got 10 eggs, I can find 5 eggs by doing division of 2. So from 10 eggs, so second I think 100. I think I must be very hungry. 10 eggs of 700 grams. Yes, I can just divide by 2 to get 5 eggs. And then this side divide by 2, get 350 grams. What do you need to go and find an egg? Then I just add the 5 and then together. Can you see it? Does this method sound familiar? Yes. Where do you see this method from? What of it? Do you remember? 1 to 5, and then you have 3 equals 50. So you see the same idea with ratio, same idea with fraction. You understand? So anyway, I just show you 3 methods. And the truth is, you will not get it. No? Sophia was the one who said this. Travis was the one who say this. Huh? Right? Fair enough. I want to give you a clue. Well, we also you will figure out that's great. All right, now I want to get a voice okay. You must get briefly. Okay. So I want to give you a clue. You work out the other members. Now, the last question. Which one is your favorite method? Who says for me, I like 1 egg. Who says I like this 5 and try 8. So here, okay. Who say I like this divide proportional reasoning method? Who say I'm okay with all the methods? Okay, sorry, very good. Okay. Now, it is okay. Now, which method to choose? Actually depends on the question. Imagine if the question used with the first number instead of 10, 10 divisible, dividing by 10 is quite simple, right? Imagine the number that we divide. So divide. Then it's not a calculator question. Then you divide with you, right? Then you maybe sometimes they enter with the secret. Then you know also right? You want to open the one as a good idea. Maybe the same as a book. So you need things. Okay, now this topic already. Today I spend some time instead of time. Never mind. Okay. My goal today is finish up total rate. Finding total, sorry. Then it's up to page 45, 46. Do you think you can do that? 45, 46. That's the first homework. If I'm already done, I got second homework. Okay? First homework 45, 46. Okay? Is that okay? 45, 46. 2 pages. Is that okay? The second homework I want to ask you. Your performance task reminder now. I remind you again. Okay, Friday, Friday. Next Friday. Okay, so the other homework is to ask. I want to ask you. First, where is it? What about the ERP stuff? Okay, a bit small. Let me put it bigger. The June holidays. The just went by. The ERP. It says here. We have the different groups. Okay? And then there's a time. Then there's money. It clearly tells you here is that ERP rate. And you now, the second point, very simple. I want you to go home and think. Why? Here's the thing. Why? It was figure eight. I don't know. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, thank you.